Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Lately I've been sharing some healthy, vegan and fall recipes that you can easily make for you and your family. And for today's video, we're going to be making a cozy butternut squash soup, which is great for lunch, dinner or whenever you want. This is one of my favorite easy meals to prepare when I'm cold in this season. So let's get into the kitchen and make it. I will link the recipe in the description box. We are going to start this recipe by cutting our butternut squash, and as you can see, it's a little bit hard, but no worries, we can make it. Just be careful so you don't get hurt. Make sure to scoop out all the seeds inside of it, and you don't have to throw them away because you can use them later to make some roasted pumpkin seeds. We are also going to need a carrot and sweet potato. Most of the soup's flavor comes from the cooking method, which starts with roasting these ingredients to bring out their caramelized best. Next, we are going to spray olive oil and add about a half teaspoon of ginger, a half teaspoon of nutmeg, a half teaspoon of garlic, a pinch of salt, and sprinkle all to the top over everything. With your hands, make sure the oil and spices are all coated in everything. Then we are going to bake that in the oven preheated at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until the squashes fork tender. We are also going to need some celery and white onion. So while those are baking, we can cut our celery and onion and saute on a medium-low heat until the onion is slightly golden. Then add some rosemary and thyme, which is going to give more flavors to this soup. Now let them sit for about 10 minutes. Soups are always a great way to get the necessary nutrients and vitamins that your body needs, and it's also a great option for your digestion. And when they're cooled down a bit, add them to a blender along with the onion, celery, thyme, rosemary, 1 cup of almond milk or any other vegetable milk you like, a half cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Then blend everything until it's nice and creamy. Now it's time to serve it, and you can decorate with some pumpkin seeds, thyme, and rosemary, but it's totally optional. As you can see, this soup is super easy to make, but it's so delicious, and I'm pretty sure you will love it. Tag me on Instagram when you do this recipe at home, and also comment down below so I can see how you like it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the next recipes that I'll be posting soon. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.